Throw away the pen and paper and move to digital with the groundbreaking Openings Studio mobile app. Finally, building facilities managers and contractors can easily access their building projects from anywhere on the go, right from their very own smart device. Designed to manage door openings at all stages of a building project, the Openings Studio app allows you to quickly document existing openings, perform compliance checks on fire, smoke and egress, and final completion and building handover. Document existing building conditions with detailed reporting and status on installation at a product level. All your information is synced to the Openings Studio cloud and accessible from your desktop, the mobile app, and field-applied smart tags. The app is available in an offline mode, allowing users to sync information when they're ready via cellular or Wi-Fi connection. All information is stored in the cloud, accessible anywhere for building owners, facility managers, distributors, locksmiths, contractors, maintenance, and service professionals. We can help you with your new or existing buildings to ensure compliance. Contact your Openings Studio consultant for details today.